Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The KitchenAid Burr coffee grinder model KCG0702CS is a piece of equipment that prioritizes consistency and durability in the pursuit of a better cup of coffee. At a price point that usually sits around $350 at the time of writing, it positions itself as a premium choice for those who are serious about their morning routine. The primary function of this machine is to take whole coffee beans and transform them into uniform particles using stainless steel cutting burrs rather than the spinning blades found in more affordable alternatives. This distinction is important because Burr grinders crush the beans to a specific size rather than hacking them into uneven pieces. This leads to a more predictable extraction process when the coffee eventually meets water. The machine offers 15 different grind settings which can be adjusted using a large dial on the front of the unit. This range allows for versatility across various brewing methods, from coarse textures for French press to finer grounds suitable for automatic drip machines. By providing a controlled rate of grinding, the machine ensures that the integrity of the bean is maintained from the moment it leaves the hopper until it enters the brewing vessel. Moving into the build and design of the unit, the first thing that becomes apparent is the substantial weight and the materials used in its construction. Unlike many modern appliances that rely heavily on plastic components, this KitchenAid grinder features a die-cast metal housing. This choice of material gives the machine a sense of permanence on a kitchen counter and helps to dampen some of the vibrations that occur during the grinding process. The contour silver finish provides a neutral and professional look that tends to blend well with other high-end kitchen appliances, particularly those within the same brand ecosystem. One of the most notable design choices is the use of glass for both the bean hopper and the collection jar. Many grinders use plastic, which can often lead to issues with static electricity causing coffee grounds to cling to the sides of the container and create a mess during transfer. Glass is naturally more resistant to static and is generally easier to keep clean over long periods of time as it does not absorb oils or odors from the coffee beans. The hopper holds approximately 7 ounces of beans, which is a practical size for daily home use without taking up an excessive amount of vertical space under kitchen cabinets. The sleek rounded edges and the heavy-duty control knob suggest a design philosophy that favors simplicity and longevity over fleeting trends. Performance is where the technical specifications of the KitchenAid grinder begin to explain the overall value of the machine. It operates at a low 450 revolutions per minute. While this might sound like a technical detail of little consequence, the low speed is actually a deliberate design choice intended to preserve the flavor of the coffee. High-speed grinders generate significant amounts of friction and heat which can prematurely toast the coffee beans before they even reach the brewer. By keeping the RPMs low, the machine minimizes heat transfer and helps to protect the delicate oils and aromatic compounds that give coffee its unique character. The stainless steel burrs are designed for longevity and precision. Because they are sharp and heavy, they can maintain a consistent particle size, which is the single most important factor in avoiding bitter or sour flavors in the final cup. When the grind is uniform, the water passes through the coffee bed evenly, ensuring that every grain is extracted at the same rate. This consistency matters because it allows the user to repeat a successful brew day after day with predictable results. Furthermore, the lower speed of the motor results in a different sound profile compared to high-speed units. While no coffee grinder is truly silent, the lower frequency of this motor is often perceived as less intrusive in a quiet morning kitchen. Considering who this product is best suited for, it is clear that it appeals to a specific type of coffee enthusiast. It is ideal for someone who values the tactile experience of using a well-built tool and who prefers a simple, mechanical interface over digital screens and complex programming. Because it is a heavy and large appliance, it is best for those who have a dedicated space for their coffee setup and do not plan on moving the grinder in and out of a cupboard frequently. It is also a strong choice for those who are sensitive to the environmental and aesthetic downsides of plastic. The glass and metal construction suggests a product that is built to be maintained rather than discarded after a few years of use. While it may not offer the extreme fine-tuning required for professional-grade espresso machines, it covers the vast majority of home brewing needs with ease and reliability. It is especially suited for those who switch between drip coffee and pour-over methods frequently, as the 15 settings provide clear and repeatable benchmarks for different recipes. In closing, the KitchenAid Burr coffee grinder is a balance of form and function that leans heavily into traditional design principles. It offers a robust alternative to the plastic-heavy market of home grinders while providing the technical performance necessary for high-quality coffee extraction. The investment of roughly $350 reflects the quality of the materials and the low-speed motor technology. While it lacks some of the modern features like integrated scales or digital timers, it compensates with a straightforward user experience and a build quality that is increasingly rare in small household appliances. The combination of stainless steel burrs, glass components, and a die-cast metal body makes it a durable centerpiece for a home coffee station. It stands as a reliable tool for anyone looking to elevate their home coffee experience through better grind consistency and a more substantial piece of kitchen hardware. Ultimately, it is a machine that focuses on the fundamentals of grinding, ensuring that the heat is kept low and the particle size remains uniform, which are the two most critical factors in unlocking the full potential of high-quality coffee beans. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.